The construction industry is evolving rapidly with innovative techniques and smart technologies. From stronger structures to more aesthetic designs, modern methods are changing how we build. In this video, we'll take a closer look at some of the most impressive techniques currently being used in construction projects around the world. It might sound strange, asking a crane operator to climb 13 floors just to toss up 4 bricks. But that's exactly where the Mule MZ100 electric universal crane shines. This compact beast can lift up to 45 kilograms and run non-stop for 32 hours straight. Its boom extends 3.5 meters, and the winch speed? A solid 0.7 meters per second. Don't be fooled by the size. It's tough enough for large outdoor sites, yet compact enough to fit indoors. Weighing around 360 kilograms, it can be loaded into a bucket lift and sent upstairs to assist alongside the heavy-duty cranes. Now that's smart construction. Azure Printed Homes is changing the game both ecologically and in housing. They were the first company in the world to use robots to print houses from recycled plastic. But this isn't just a one-off project. A few years ago, they set up a factory for mass production. Their homes cost about 30% less than traditional builds. For example, an 84 square meter house costs around $200,000. Plus, their robotic printing tech saves customers up to 70% of construction time, sometimes producing parts in as little as 4 days. And every 11 square meters of these homes recycles 100,000 plastic bottles. Sustainable, affordable, and fast, the future of housing. Creating smooth concrete steps at home. It's not as easy as it looks. Unlike high-rise construction, where ready-made blocks are used, homeowners have to build each step from scratch. That means precise formwork, strong enough to hold cement, and perfectly shaped for each riser. This is where the quick stair riser makes all the difference. It's a metal plate that bolts to a wooden frame, locking everything neatly in place. Available in 3 different versions, it adapts to your needs, whether you're building narrow and low steps or wide and tall ones. Now that's smart, efficient construction. UPB is a key player in the Baltic industrial scene, especially in construction. They support clients through every phase, from early consultations to completing complex engineering projects. For example, UPB experts contributed to Sweden's Grid 17, a 5,900 square meter building featuring 2 rooftop terraces. They didn't just help design it, they provided crucial parts of the precast concrete sandwich panel facade. Another standout project is the Mary Elizabeth Hospital in Denmark, an 8-story building set to finish in 2027. For this, UPB produced facade blocks delivered ready, with glazing, wiring, ventilation, and fire safety components. Comprehensive expertise, innovative solutions, UPB leads the way. High-rise jobs often need cranes, whether it's repairing glass galleries or applying fresh plaster to a tall exterior wall. But installing a full-size crane, that can take over a week. Thankfully, the Tractel Secalt mobile crane solves this problem. It's mounted on rails inside the building, with a hydraulic boom that extends outward, safely lowering a cabin with workers to the required level. The system uses steel cables strong enough to carry multiple workers and heavy tools. And yes, it's built with safety in mind, though following basic height safety rules is still a must. Surprisingly, this smart crane is already in wide use, especially in Dubai. If you have been following us, you already know Perry, one of the world's top formwork manufacturers. But they're more than that. Their advanced engineering technologies keep pushing the limits. Today, Perry introduces VarioKit, an innovative balanced concreting system designed for bridge construction. VarioKit can create sections up to 5.75 meters long, weighing as much as 300 tons depending on the design. These sections can even curve and spiral with precision. Built-in automation helps control every detail. Plus, VarioKit works seamlessly with other Perry solutions like hoists and work platforms. Engineering meets innovation. That's Perry's promise. Concrete is the most widely used building material of the 21st century, from military hangars to towering skyscrapers. But have you ever wondered how reinforced concrete slabs are actually made? It's a complex, multi-day process, starting with formwork setup and ending with the slow, careful pouring of cement. To keep everything perfectly level, engineers rely on elmatic frame magnets. These powerful, durable magnets hold the formwork in place, resisting the pressure of the wet cement from the inside. The result? Flawless slabs that arrive at the construction site without a single defect. Finnish engineers take pride in their precision, and their magnets never disappoint. Temporary Wall Systems has created versatile temporary fences that do more than just secure construction sites. They're also used in places like hospitals, where they separate construction zones from medical areas, letting builders and healthcare professionals work without disruption. One standout project was a stadium where their fences formed corridors for soccer players, helping athletes move freely without losing focus or being bothered for autographs. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Clients can customize these fences with doors, windows, code locks, and ventilation systems. Durability comes from a 3-layer design: an aluminum front, galvanized steel back, and a 38mm thick polyurethane core. Strong, flexible, and tailored to your needs. Drilling steel bolts into concrete. It might seem simple, but tiny air cavities can form and weaken the entire structure. To solve this, experts recommend injecting polyurethane resin, cement paste, or cement slurry into the gaps. And that's exactly where Max Frank comes in. This tool is specially designed to inject sealing materials deep into the concrete using high pressure. Through a special valve, the liquid is forced in, and during testing, you can clearly see it filling every pore and even seeping out. The result? A perfectly sealed, rock-solid block. Strong enough, they say, to be used in the construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza. Need a solution for your roof leak? Consider Flexim. This versatile paste has been trusted since 1985. It comes in easy-to-apply strips perfect for ridges and other roof areas. But Flexim isn't just for leaks. You can use it to seal gaps between corrugated sheets or improve connections around chimneys. Ready to use straight from the package, it speeds up work about 5 times faster than traditional methods. Flexim performs well in temperatures from 60 to -25 degrees Celsius. And here's a bonus. It comes in several color options to match your tiles or roofing materials. That way your repair not only works great, but also blends perfectly with your roof. Fast, reliable, and seamless. Building a corrugated sheet roof. That's easy. You can even lift them with ropes. But when it comes to Alpiger Holzbau wooden blocks, it's a different story. They're much heavier, and no single person can place them alone. You'll need a hydraulic crane, but trust me, the result is worth it. Wood is incredibly eco-friendly, and a half-meter layer of it retains heat beautifully, while giving your home a clean, modern look. No need for axes saws or jigsaws. The blocks are pre-cut into perfect rectangles that snap into place like a giant Lego set. And yes, the manufacturer will even deliver the crane right to your site.